John Carbon. I'm with Fire-Dex. I'm the Vice President of Operations. So we were founded in 1983. Next year we're going to celebrate our 40th anniversary. We manufacture suits that firefighters wear into a fire. We have a head-to-toe offering: helmets, hoods, coats and pants, and boots for firefighters. So we manufacture here in Ohio. We have a manufacturing plant in southwest Georgia, and we have a manufacturing facility in Mexico as well. We're trying to build capacity to make about 80,000 garments per year. We've been working with Lectra since I think 2001, and when we started having cutting room capacity challenges, we talked to Lectra and said, come look at our cutting room, sell us a solution, not just an asset, and that's when we ended up with the Verga and Fashion OnDemand solution for our company. One of the goals of the Fashion OnDemand project was to take some of all of the knowledge that is in our employees' heads and put it into the cloud, so that when we nest markers, all of that information is available. It's rapid, it's quick, it makes us much more efficient. And then, of course, the labor piece, automation helps with some of our labor challenges, candidly. So specifically with the Verga cutter, it's proven its return on investment very rapidly, and with our continued growth, we've been able to keep up in our cutting room with that asset. The next generation of integrating Fashion OnDemand with our spec building software is yet to be realized, but that'll take our cutting room to Industry 4.0 technologies very quickly, and we're excited about what the future brings on that. Implementation has been very good. We've had great collaboration with our associates and Lectra associates. The team has worked well together, and you know, it's been actually very good. We've easily seen a 25 to 30% improvement in our cutting capacity in the past year since the investment in the Verga cutter and the Fashion OnDemand.